Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a facehugger surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our alien facehugger surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. First thing you want to do is line up the corners and give it a nice little fold right down the middle. Next, you want to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold, so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when you open this up, you have these nice guidelines that show you where you need to keep the inside of your drawing. I always like turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin with the top of the little kind of like facehugger egg. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to curve down here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and over, and another one here that's going to come up and over. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down to the bottom of our paper. And then same thing here, we're just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down to the bottom. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of come down and up. And then same thing here, we'll draw another one, just goes down and up. And these can be kind of different sizes. Next, I'm going to draw another line, it's just going to go down and up and kind of over. We'll do one here, we'll just kind of go down and then kind of curve it over to here. Then I'll just make a little line here with a couple little lines. And then same thing here, a little couple lines here. And I'll draw just a little broken line or two here. Next, we'll make a little broken line here, and then a little line or two right there. And then maybe a couple more little lines on here just for some detail. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our little egg surprise. We got this and this. So let's work on the egg here first. So the first thing I'm going to do is starting right here. So I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve out, and then I'm going to bring it down to here. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to bring this out and then bring it down. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. Right here, I'm going to curve a little line that's going to come down. And then I'll curve a little line up here. Then right here, we're just going to curve a couple little broken lines. Then I'm going to add a couple more little lines kind of right around here just for a little bit of detail. Now, we want to turn this, what used to be the top of the egg, we're actually going to turn this into the facehugger. So, first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to draw a line right here that's just going to kind of come down and then in. And then same thing here, I'm going to draw this line that's going to come down and then in. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then bring it up here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to here, and then one that's going to come up to here. And you can see I didn't go above the fold. Then I'm going to put some little curves on here, just like that, and maybe even one right here. Then I'm going to make some little lines here, and then a few little lines over here. Then a couple little lines here and here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and in. And the same thing here, we're going to go down and then bring it in. Now, let's work on the legs. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'm going to go down and then in. And then same thing here. I'm going to go out, down, and then in. Now I'm going to bring this back up. I'm just going to follow that same pattern and bring it to here. Same thing here. I'm just going to follow that same line that I drew and then bring it up to here. Then at each corner, let's just go ahead and make a little curved line. And then I like to put an extra little line or two kind of right around each one just for a little bit of detail. Let's make another one. Let's gonna go out, down, and then in. And then same thing here, out, down, and in. Then we'll draw that same line. I'll do the same thing here. We'll just draw that same line. And then once again, put a little curved line right at each little bend. And then we're going to make a couple little lines right around here. And I'm going to make a little bump kind of coming out of each one here. Let's do another one here. I'm going to bring this up and then down. And then same thing here. I'm going to bring this up and then down. Then I'm going to jump in between, and then I'm going to curve this up. Same thing here, just kind of come down at an angle in between these, and then curve it up. Then we're going to connect here, we're going to go up and then down. Same thing here, connect here, then go up and then down. We'll put a little curved line here, and then we'll add our extra little lines. Then I'm going to do one more right here. I'm going to draw a little line. It's going to go out, down, and in. And then same thing here, out, down, and in. I'm going to curve it and then bring it right back up here. We just kind of curve it and then bring it right up here. Put some little curves here, and then we'll put a couple little extra lines on here. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to add the tail. So we're just going to make the tail come right down here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy, curvy line. Then I'm going to make it kind of round here, and I'm going to draw the exact same thing, and as I bring it up, it's going to get a little bit fatter. See how skinny it is here and then big it is up here. Then we're just going to go ahead and draw all these little curved lines right around here to connect all these. Just kind of give it a little bit of texture. So I'm just going to draw these little curved lines all the way across here. And there you go. There is your drawing of an alien facehugger surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, it looks like we just have the egg, and then when we open it, we have the facehugger jumping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.